I'm having major inflammation in my body. I used to be able to do a lot more fasting, and I felt like my body would heal very quickly. The problem is I'm going through premenopause. So this is an issue for me because I can't do as much fasting.
Usually when you have inflammatory based conditions, the general pH of the body is acidic, and you're dumping minerals out of your connective tissues and out of your bones to stabilize your blood pH. There's probably a severe mineral deficiency. I would also add you're probably consuming too many acidic based foods. So I would move to more an alkaline based diet. You might want to consider getting an ionizer, like a water ionizer that you can jack up the pH of your water and provide electrical based antioxidants. I know I use that for my own self to stabilize, because oftentimes when you're losing body fat, you'll start to become more acidic. And so you need to offset that and consume sufficient amount of water a day. And this is one of the strategies that bodybuilders use actually in order to stabilize their life and also to create satiety inside the system. I find for a lot of women, as they go through premenopausal, they're adjusting. And so if you have these micronutrients, you'll be okay. You can't use drugs as a way to get out of it. You've got to get your nutrition thing, and you need a functional medicine doctor to help you do that.
This really is like the most nutrient-rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code